Hare Krishna. Why does the mind distract us? The mind is like a screen on which the inputs from the various senses come, and also the inputs from what we have recollected in the past come. So, on the screen of the mind, if we imagine there are 5 windows on which the various inputs from the senses are coming, and there is a 6th window where our past recollection may also come. Now, the mind is like a child, and it does not have any serious discrimination. If an adult is having a discussion with different people, and if one person starts speaking very loudly, naturally the attention will go towards that person. But if that person is speaking incoherently, meaninglessly, just rambling along, then the adult will turn away from that person and turn towards somebody who is speaking more meaningfully, even if they are not speaking that loudly. However, children are frequently not so discerning. Whatever comes out the loudest, that is what the children get attracted to. So, like that, the mind is not an adult, it is a child. So, whichever stimulus comes up loudest in the mind, that is what it gets attracted to, and that is what it attracts us to. So, for example, if you are driving a car, at that time, from the perspective of relative importance, what the passenger next to us is sitting is saying is not as important as whether the car is going properly on track or not. But if that person speaks something, the mind, if it finds it very interesting or agitating, the mind gets distracted over there. And similarly, when we are studying in class, when we are studying in private or hearing a lecture in a class, at that time, if some other thought comes up from the recollection window of the mind, or if somebody suddenly comes into the room, then for the mind that activity or that memory seems more interesting, even if it is not more important. So, because the mind does not understand the difference between interest and importance, and it goes to whichever which seems most interesting, that is how the mind distracts us. And in order to decrease the distraction of the mind, we have to recognize that though the mind is like a child, we ourselves should become like a mother. If a child is studying and the mother is sitting next to the child supervising the studies, the child may suddenly want to play a toy, may suddenly want to see what is on TV, may suddenly want to go outside and see who all are playing. But the mother gets the child back to focus on the studies. So, our mind will get distracted. But if we are mature like a mother, then we will get the mind back to focus, no matter wherever and whenever it gets distracted. Thank you. Hare Krishna.